The recent investment by Blackstone in a giant artificial intelligence factory in Northumberland in the north of England is an ethical quandary for the UK's ruling Labour Party. On the one hand, attracting such a high-profile investor is a notable accomplishment for Prime Minister Sir Keir Starmer. The development promises to stimulate the local economy and aligns perfectly with Labour's commitment to creating jobs and supporting the AUP working class communities of the north. And this cutting-edge facility serves as a symbol of the party's commitment to technology innovation. Hooray! On the other hand, Blackstone is one of the largest private equity firms in the world. And in the absence of a deep state, PE companies do a solid job of playing the role of evil villains, combining the ethics of a Boris Johnson with the avarice of Goldman Sachs.
You're a monster, Zorg. I know.
They're notorious for asset stripping, laying people off, loading acquisitions with debt, and basically doing anything they can to trouser as much money as possible at the expense of the working man.
Or woman.
Blackstone, in particular, is notorious for buying large quantities of homes, converting them into rentals, and driving up the rents, contributing to housing shortages that disproportionately affect vulnerable communities. So while this investment marks a significant step forward in the UK's digital infrastructure, particularly after years of neglect under Conservative leadership, Labour must weigh the pros of technology progress and job creation against the potential backlash from its core supporters. The optics of aligning with a firm like Blackstone are, frankly, horrible and complicate the party's message on social justice, affordable housing and worker rights. And all of those new AI factory workers, well, good luck to them with finding affordable housing in Northumberland once Blackstone rocks up.
I can see that.
They're tasty, tasty, very, very tasty. They're very tasty.